If you're using an external MIDI controller like a keyboard, for instance, and you don't always have it connected, you may find that sometimes when you're launching Studio One, it pauses during its launch and you receive this message here. So this can be a little bit annoying because Studio One will not continue loading until you make a decision here. So I'm going to click on No and let this continue to load. And let's take a look at how we can turn that notification off. So I'm going to press Control and comma, and let's come to the External Devices tab within the Options menu. And then here at the very bottom, we have this Notify Me if devices are unavailable when Studio One starts. So I'm going to deselect that and then press Apply and click OK. So now when we relaunch Studio One, if we don't have our controller connected, that message is going to be bypassed and it will continue on loading to our start page. All right, so I hope this quick tip has been helpful. And if you're interested in one-on-one training with me over Zoom, I do provide that, and you can find out more information by clicking on the link in the pinned comment below or checking out the description area of this video. Thanks for watching and hope to see you in the next tutorial.